A body of mass 100 gram is moving in a circular path of radius 2 meter on vertical plane as shown in figure. The velocity of the body at point A is 10 meter per second. The ratio of its kinetic energies at point B and C is. So here it is given the velocity of the body at point A is VA is equal to 10 meter per second. We have to calculate the ratio of kinetic energies at point B and C. Now, from the conservation of energy, we can say that the total energy is conserved at each and every point. So, at point B, the total energy is half mv square, that is half mva square is the kinetic energy plus potential energy. Now, assume A as the reference point. So, the potential energy at point A is 0 is equal to the kinetic energy plus potential energy at point B. Let us say Vb be the velocity at B, then kinetic energy is half mvb square plus mgh. Now m cancels from both the sides. So, and half Va square, that is Va square is equal to Vb square. If we cancels half both the sides, then it becomes 2gh. Now, what is the value of h? So, first calculate the value of h, then we will put it in that equation. So, h is the height, that is if we draw the perpendicular AE, then AE is the height. Now, AO is R and OE. So, OE from the triangle OBE, from the triangle OBE, we can write OE is the base, that is base divided by OB, hypotenuse, base divided by OB is equal to cos 30 degree, cos theta. So, OE is equal to OB, OB is the radius, let us say radius is R. So, OE is R cos 30 degree, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So, OE is root 3 R by 2, but we have to find the height AE, that is total is R minus OE. So, R minus OE. So, here H is R minus root 3 by 2 R, root 3 by 2 R is the height. So, Vv square is equal to Va square. Now, Va, the value of velocity at h 10 meter square per second, 10 meter per second. So, 10 square is 100 Va square minus, because we are measuring the value Vb. So, Vb square is Va square minus twice G, the value of G is 10, twice G. If we take R as common, then R, the value of R is 2, divided by 2. If we take this 2 out from the parenthesis, then it becomes 2 minus root 3. So, 2 cancels, this becomes 100 minus 20 into 2 minus root 3. So, if we take 20 as common, then 20 is 5 minus 2 plus 3 root 3. So, if we take 20 as common, then it will become 25 minus 3, 2 is 3 plus root 3. So, this is the value of Vb square. So, if velocity at the body at B is Vv, then Vv square is 20 into 3 plus root 3. Let us say this is the equation number 1. Now, we have to find the velocity at point C. So, again from the conservation of energy, the total energy at A, that is half mva square. So, half mva square is equal to half mvc square plus mgh. Now, what is the height? So, now draw another perpendicular to OD. Let's say this is F. So OF, so from the triangle OFC we can write this angle is total, this is 30 degree, this angle is given 90 degree, so this is 30 degree, sorry 60 degree, because this total angle is 180 degree, so this is 60 degree. Now cos 60 degree is equal to base, that is OF, divided by OC is the radius R. So OF is equal to R cos 60 degree. Now value of cos 60 is half, that is OF is R by 2. So the total height AF, so AF is OF is R by 2 and OA is R, that is R plus R by 2, that is 3 by 2 R. So the height is 3 by 2 R, because we are taking the height from the point A. So from A to F is 1.5 R or 3 by 2 R. Now M cancels from both the sides, also 2 cancels from these two sides. So VC square is equal to VA square minus 3GR. So VA is 10. So 10, that is 10 into 10, 100. So VC square is VA square is 100 minus 3GR. So 3 into G is 10 and the radius R is given 2. So this becomes 10 into 3 into 2, that is 3 into 2 6, 6 into 10 60. So 100 minus 60 is 40. So VC square is 40. So we get VB square and VC square, but we have to find the ratio of kinetic energy. So ratio of kinetic energies, that is half m VB square divided by half m VC square. Now half cancels, m cancels, so this is basically VB square divided by VC square, and we already get VB square and VC square from equation 1 and 2, that is VB square is 20 times 3 plus root 3 divided by VC square is 40. So 0 cancels, 2 into 2, that is 3 plus root 3 by 2. Sorry, this is 3 plus root 3 by 2, yes, 3 plus root 3 divided by 2, that is here option 3 is the correct answer. That is the ratio of kinetic energies at point B and C is 3 plus root 3 by 2. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.